collage like this is pretty popular on social media. In this video, we're going to share with you how to use VideoProc Flagger to make this kind of collage effect. If you're into this, keep watching. First of all, let's open VideoProc Flagger. Create a new project. Go to Video Resolution. Choose 1080 by 1920. Click on New Project. In my case, I want to make a collage composed by 6 photos and 3 videos. Taking a large photo in the beginning into account, we need to prepare 7 photos and 3 videos in total. Then we drag this photo into the video track. Divide it into 9 parts. We can use the rollers in the guides feature to do this in an easier way. We can enable the rollers by clicking on this button. Now let's do a simple calculation. The size of the photo is 1080 by 1920. We need to divide it into 9 parts. So let's multiply 1080 by 1/3 and 2/3. This is equal to 360 and 720 respectively. To get things done more easier, we can click on this button to preview in full screen. We need to add 2 vertical guides at the 360 and 720. Then we need to add horizontal guides. Let's multiply 1920 by 1/3 and 2/3. We get 640 and 1280. Similarly, we add 2 horizontal guides at these 2 positions. Now the photo is divided into 9 parts. Next, let's import a white clip. Drag it onto the overlay track. Then we go to the preview window and scale it to make it appear like a thin line. We can go to the inspector panel and make use of the position feature to help reposition this white line. Follow the same steps to add another 3 lines. After that, we delete the guides. That's it. Now, let's put the other photos in these cross-bounding spaces. First of all, we drag the needed photos into the overlay track. Then we click on Crop on the toolbar. On the Crop Editor panel, select 9 by 16. Click on Apply. Go back to the main interface. Resize and reposition it. Similarly, we can use the position feature on the inspector panel to fine-tune its position. Follow the same steps to make these photos fill the entire canvas. Last, let's design the entrance effect for these photos. Firstly, let's add a proper background music clip. Then we go to the audio editor. Delete the music beat by using the equalizer feature. Then we use every 3 photos as a group. Place them on a timeline alternately, so these photos can appear by turn. Surely, you can also use motion to add a more dynamic entrance effect for the photos. For example, here I add a slide-in entrance animation by using motion. Alright, let's check the final work. Well, this is all for today's video, and I'm sure you've learned a trick to making it in your own video creation. If you want to know more editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Flagger, be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe. See you in our next editing tutorial. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye!